एक हफ्ते में 2 फिल्में, both sort of exploring what happens when tradition and modernity clash with each other and members of 2 generations spend time with one another under unexpected circumstances. One is the Great Indian Kitchen ka Hindi remake Mrs. The other, The Mehta Boys. But that's really where the similarities end. Which one comes out on top though? Is there competition even? Let's find out. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, jahan now we are talking about Boman Irani's first foray into feature filmmaking as a director, The Mehta Boys, starring himself and Avinash Tiwari in the lead roles.
What is wrong with you?
Film shuru hoti hai with a familiar scene. A chaotic Mumbai boys' apartment. Dirty socks are on the floor, leftover takeaway food is in the fridge. You can almost smell the mildew from the mold quietly creeping up on the walls where paint has begun to peel. The place is not really in disrepair, it's just that its inhabitant Amay, played by Avinash Tiwari, just can't be bothered to fix things. He's a non-achiever at work. Amay is forced to soon entertain a house guest for about a week. His own father, Shiv, played by Boman Irani, an emotionally reserved but opinionated man who after his wife's death spends a few unplanned days in Mumbai with his son and immediately becomes a thorn in Amay's side. Much like Amay's house, his life also doesn't quite have room for anyone else, least of all his cantankerous old man. Shiv feels the same way. In an earlier scene when Amay tries to enter his childhood home, the door is stuck, giving way after a few pushes, almost embodying his father, trying to keep Amay at an arm's length. तो दोनों एक ही जैसे हैं. You can see now what this film is going for. A heartfelt father-son story about reconnection and unresolved tension. But instead of letting this develop naturally and gradually, unfortunately, The Mehta Boys very quickly reveals itself to be in a rush to begin underlining how much it needs you to feel all the feels. When Shiv meets a kind stranger in the city, he turns into Mr. Chats a lot, sharing his life stories. And sure, we've known fathers like this who won't converse with their own progeny, but will happily befriend strangers. Except here, instead of this being an opportunity to figure out why Indian fathers from that very specific generation tend to do this, Shiv is inconsistently written. For a man who was madly in love with his now deceased wife but loathes his son, who his wife doted upon, you wait to find out a deeper reason behind this resentment. But a real revelation never really comes. Any and all subtlety lost amid clunky dialogue.
आर्किटेक्ट्स ने तो ताजमहल बनाया पेपर और पेंसिल के साथ, मतलब कंप्यूटर के बिना तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
अब मेरे काम का मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. मैं कभी समझा न समझने की कोशिश की है.
Boman Irani plays the stubborn, grumbling father with a certain charm. You know, grocery shopping to leave a fully stocked fridge behind, making chai for the construction workers, it's all very cute. But for the most part, he's just there. Stereotype upon stereotype. He's so good as the grumpy dad. If only the writer Alexander Denellaris' writing had given him enough complexity to truly shine. The way our homes and families are structured, more often than not, sons must stay with their aging parents, while daughters are often allowed to leave after marriage, an unfortunate byproduct of patriarchy. So Avinash Tiwari does bring a millennial man's frustration to this part, living that dual existence so many of us have first-hand experience with, going out of his way to hide his professional life from his parents, not even to shield them from hurt, but just due to lack of patience to explain anything. But again, like the other release this week, Mrs., the Bollywood sheen, the polishing and all over filmy voice is just too visible. It's too loud. In a hospital scene, Amay yells out in frustration कि पिताजी हमारे बाप हैं या बच्चे हैं? Is he an adult or is he a child? How am I supposed to treat him? Yes. Let's get into it. Yes. Despite the combined industrial strength charm of the lead actors and some electric scenes with Pooja Saroop playing the NRI sister, these characters remain too predictable to fully invest in. The Mehta Boys struggles with consistency. Its emotional highs are just too polished. The conflicts are neat. There is a visible attempt to talk about suppressed middle-class Indian men who antagonize the people they love the most just to feel something in a culture that discourages true expressions of love. One only wishes it had a better manifesto to deliver on the subject. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, The Mehta Boys is 3 glass panes wali, you know that old school Indian style dressing table? Now it has shown up in 2 releases this week. I mean, it doesn't really mean anything. I just noticed it, that's all. Mrs. का review इसी बात पर नीचे इस वीडियो के लिंक कर रही हूँ in the description, वो भी देखिएगा. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.